Kakching District Administration Shinduna ngasi district asigi DC complex da Meeyam Numit Thouram Pangthokhre. Thouram aduda Kakching District Deputy Commissioner Rohit Anand, Additional District Magistrate M Kapazit, Kakching SDO Khirdananda Pochangbam, Kakching District Police SP TS Bikramjit amade makok thongba official kyana saruyaki. Thouram aduda lenga ki tongan ba department kunithoi henbana saruyaduna Meeyam da kudong chaba kaya phanghanki. Thouramadu IDP Singda CMST card amade differently able Singda wheelchair Mapuraiba Laikhidraba Singda widow pension card amade Mahairoi Singda Lyricna Chingba Kayasu Yentoki. Thouramadu Mari Lainana Kakching District DC Rohit Anand Nahai Lamda Masida Tokliba Irangasina Maram Oiraga Kakching District Waina Meeyam Numit Pangthokhre si Tatara Nipan Rom Leblure Adumoinamak Definition Nongtombam Birangi Pautak Matungina Nauna Amuk Thouramasi Pangthokpa Hobane Thouramasi Makha Tana Thakudingi Leptana Pangthoklagani Meeyam Numit ki Kuthangda Lengakna Meeyam da Piriba Kanabasing asi Meeyam na Mapung Phana Yauhanba Ngamgadoribani Kakching District ta Lairiba Mipum Khudingmakna Thouramasi da Sarugyaduna Lengakna Piriba Kanaba Kaya se Mapung Phana Lominasi Haina Sumahana Makha Tana Piltauki.
Today, on 7th February 2025, we have, under the direction and guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister, we have restarted the Meeyam Numit program. Over the last 18 months, a lot of people had been suffering and were not able to access a lot of government schemes. So thus, we have restarted this program in Kakching headquarters and in Vaikhong subdivision office, whereby anyone can come and get access to whatever services they want. We will be making this a monthly program where once every month we will be organizing this program, and my humble appeal through this platform is to please come out in maximum numbers and make use of this opportunity and get access to any service and any program of this government. My humble appeal to all, okay, let's make this program a success and let's try to reach each and every person in this district, and everyone should be able to access every scheme possible in the district. That is my humble appeal, and that is the aim of all the government officials working in the district.